a spicy feta dip, and I've got a little Calabrian chili paste. And I've got
we love that.
I love that stuff. And I've got some roasted bell peppers. And if you roasted your own bell
right here. Woohoo!
Just used it last night.
Yeah, this dip is really good too, because actually Tom and I had some last night. We grilled some chicken, slapped it on top of the chicken with a big salad. It was delicious. So it's not just and crackers. It's really, really good. So I'm gonna get a couple, and it all gets made in your food processor, which is super easy. So what I got in here is some French feta, which is a nice creamier feta, and I've just gotten some bell peppers in there that have been roasted, and the garlic, that little trick that you taught me about grating the garlic in there. Garlic nice and smooth. So there's Calabrian chili paste, and there's garlic, and there's red bell peppers roasted, and then the feta.
Roasted sweet peppers, hot pepper paste, the French feta. I love that creamier consistency. That's nice. That's nice. And a little garlic.
I'm gonna add a little bit of cream cheese, because the French feta is so super duper salty. That kind of like cuts down on the salt a little bit.
I got you. It breaks it up a little bit, takes the edge off.
And then one last thing, just to really, again, brighten up the flavor, add a little bit of lemon zest.
Oh yay, I love lemon.
A little bit of, like maybe half the lemon. Plus it gets the garlic that I just grated off of it. And that's it. That's all she wrote. And if you want to like thin it out a little bit, you can either, if you want it spicier, add a little bit of the oil from the Calabrian chilies, or take this that the feta has been in.
Oh, God, the briny liquid. Great.
And that'll thin it out really beautifully and add flavor while you're at it.
So Val, are you still working at home? Like, are you doing Valerie's home cooking during this time, like remotely?
We're not. We were 10 episodes in from finishing our 13 episode, what we were supposed to do, and we had to stop. We had to shut down. It was like mid-March. And so we shut down, and we hope we'll be back. I think we're going to try and find a bigger house so that everybody isn't so tight up against each other.
At least you have 10.
I chopped up some celery earlier. Hang on one second.
Okay, grab your celery.
Because I want to have a little bit of the dip, because it's really, really good.